up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, July 18th. So that means I'm at Dollar General. I'm going to be here doing some 5 off of 25 deals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. Hit that notification bell down below and share the video. So I have two different transactions that I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to hop right on into the first transaction. So the first thing I'm going to be picking up is the Jergens lotion. It is priced at $3.75. And we do have a $2 off coupon. We have $2 off paper coupons, as well as a $2 digital coupon. So my store is currently out of all of them except for this one. So I'm going to be picking up this one, and I'm just going to go and put it in my cart. Now for this transaction, I will be picking up some paper products because is always a good time to get paper products. You guys can see this is all my store has. I mean, it still has some. You see it's some up in the top shelf. So that instant savings is still happening where when you spend $15, you save $3 instantly on Scott, Viva, Cottonelle, and Kleenex. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be picking up 2 of these Scott, the 12 packs of Scott toilet paper, and they're priced at $5. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these, and that's going to put me at $10. So I still need to reach, I need to reach $15. So what else? The other thing I'm going to pick up are these cotton nail wipes. They're $3, and they're also 2 for $5. So picking up 2 of these, that's going to put me right at $15, and then I'm going to have that $3 instant savings. Now remember, anytime you do an instant savings, since I'm getting a $3 instant savings, my total has to be at least $28 for my 5 off of 25 to come off. So the next thing I am looking for, I'm actually looking for those, the Airwick starter kits. They're priced at $3, and we do have $2 off paper coupons, as well as there's a $2 off, there's a $2 rebate on Ibotta, which will make these free. But looking around, it doesn't look like my store has any. They sell out pretty fast because my store comes, is this it? Oh, no. Because my store truck comes on Thursdays. So today's Saturday and they're already out. So yeah, but if you guys can see those and you have those paper coupons, I'll definitely pick up one of those items and throw it in your scenario. Right now I'm just showing you guys my cleaning section. It looks like they have a little Lysol. I'm gonna actually leave this here because I'm okay with these for the Lysol. I have a lot of these, but they're priced at $3. I was thinking about maybe adding this into my scenario since I'm not getting that Airwick, but nah, instead I'll find something else. So yeah, let's just move on. This is that $2 off coupon that I was talking about. Just in case you guys wanted to see what it looks like, this is it. So yeah, but quick little freebie, but I won't be getting it today. So yeah. But so the next thing I'm going to be getting that I know I'm going to be getting is some Tide Simply. You can choose from the liquid or the pods. Both of them are priced at $2.95. And then I'm going to be using one of those $2 off of Tide Simply coupons. I think it was in the July P&G, but it's going to make one of these just 95 cents. So let me just add this into my cart. I'm also going to be picking up some Gain liquid detergent. It is priced at $3.95. And then I'm going to be using one of those $2 off of paper coupons. Now, some people may have the digital, but I've already used mine on this account. So yes, picking up one at $3.95 using that coupon is going to make it just $1.95. So that's good. Then I'm going to be picking up either some Tide Pods or Tide Liquid. I'm not quite sure at the moment. They're both priced at $4.95. And we do have paper coupons for both. We have a $2 off the liquid as well as $2 off of pods. So I don't know which one I'm going to pick up, but I'm just picking up one of these to kind of like set off my transaction with since I'm not getting the Airwick. So I think what I'm going to do is pick up the liquid, but priced at $4.95, and then it's going to be $2.95 after the coupon. So this is everything that I'm getting for this transaction. So before coupons and any instant savings, my total is going to come out to $30.60. Once the cashier hits total, that instant savings is going to come out first, which is going to put me at $27.60. So I'm still going to be over that $25 threshold. Remember, anytime you're doing anything that has an instant savings, after that instant savings comes off, it must be over at or above $25. So then, remember, I'm going to have that $2 off Gain coupon, the $2 off of Tide Simply, that $2 off of Tide Liquid, as well as that $2 off Jergens. That's going to bring my total down to $14.60 for 8 items, or about $1.82 each. That is really good. I'll take paper products for under $2. Remember, this is a little on the higher side, but considering the fact that I'm getting paper products without any coupons, this is a really, really good deal because I got $15 in paper products. So now I'm just going to move on to my second transaction, which is going to be a Gain. So I was lucky enough to find one of my accounts not being touched as far as Gain products. I didn't do any Gain. So I'm going to do that 5 off of 30 Gain as well as that 5 off of 25. They should stack no problem. So the first thing I'm going to get are these fireworks. These Gain fireworks, they're priced at $3.95. And we do have a $2 off digital coupon, which is going to make these just $1.95. So let me just go and put these in my cart. And I'm just going to move on to the next item. So next, I'm going to pick up some Gain liquid detergent. It says $5, but they're actually on sale this week for $3.95. And I have this $2 off paper coupon. It's going to make it $1.95. Now, there is a digital as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be picking up 2 of these. And they're both priced at $3.95. And then with that digital and this paper coupon, that's going to make each one of these just $1.95 each. Next, I'm going to be picking up some Gain Flings. They're also priced at $3.95. Now, this is the only one that it looks like I see, the Cool Breeze. I'm looking around, trying to see if they have any other different scents, but it doesn't look like they do. So I'm just going to be picking up 2 of these, priced at $3.95. And I have a $2 digital, as well as I'm going to use another $2 off paper coupon, which is going to make each one of them just $1.95. So now let me just pick up 2 of these as well. So since I have 2 of these Cool Breeze Flings, I'm going to actually put this Cool Breeze liquid detergent back. That way I don't have just a stockpile full of Cool Breeze. So I'm going to switch this one out for just the original. That way it seems like I have a mixture of both. Now I'm almost done, you guys. So now I'm just going to go over to the other aisle and pick up the last few items to complete this transaction. Then last but not least, I'm going to be picking up some Febreze wax melts. And I make sure they're going to be Gain scented as well. They're priced at $3. And then I have this BOGO buy one get one free on Febreze products, which is going to make one of them free. Now I'm going to pick up a total of 4 because I also have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon, which is going to make them 2 for $3 or $1.50 each. So let me just pick up 2 of these, the original scent, as well as 2 of the Moonlight Breeze. And then this will complete my second transaction. So this is everything for my Gain scenario. Let me just move this out of the way. So before coupons, my total is going to be $31.75. After that 5 off of 30 comes off, my total is going to be $26.75. So that 5 off of 25, we shouldn't have no issues with that attaching as well. I'm going to I'm going to give the cashier the Gain liquid detergent first. And I'm going to be using that $2 off a Gain detergent digital coupon, as well as a $2 off a Gain paper coupon. Then I'm going to be using 2 of the Gain flings. I have one $2 digital, as well as I'll be using another Gain paper coupon for $2. Then I'm going to be using that $2 off of Gain fireworks digital coupon. And then for the Febreze, I'm going to be using 2 of the Febreze coupons, 1 digital, and then this paper coupon, which is buy one get one free. After all coupons and everything, that's going to bring my total down to $5.75 for all 9 items, or about 63 cents each. You guys, that is like, wow, that's great. Also, remember, you guys, let the cashier ring up your Gain liquid first, because if you don't, your total is actually going to come out $2 higher, and you don't want that. So if you're going to do this Gain deal, make sure to give the cashier your Gain liquid first. As well as, so the way it's going to go, I'm going to have her scan everything, and then I'm going to put my number in, and then after all of my digitals come off, then I'm going to hand her my paper coupons. So you guys, like, while you're watching, you guys, give me a like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I'm going to show you the Gain scenario. I'm heading up to the front now. Hey you guys, so I'm back in the car. You saw how my first transaction went. The Gain transaction, it went extremely well. Actually, let me show you guys that receipt first. Oh, the sun. Okay. If it looks a little dark, you guys, I'm sorry, it's the shade. But yeah, so you see everything. I'm in drive-thru. But yeah, so is that better? I don't know. I think this is better. So you see everything. It came off all my store, my 5 off 25, my 5 off 30. No issues whatsoever. This was a perfect little thing. Subtotal was $5.75 with a total savings of $26. Now this is for Gain, you guys. I got 9 items. So that's extremely good. Let me get my food. Well, actually, I'm not getting food. I'm getting a sweet tea from McDonald's, which is literally right across the street, like in the same little plaza as Dollar General. So give me one second. All right, I got my sweet tea. It's always so good in the morning. Anyways, okay, so back to this receipt. So, you see all the Gain, everything came off. That's why I wanted to record that part of everything coming off at the register. That way you can see exactly what I did. Of course, I gave the cashier the liquid detergent first. That way, that $2 for the that coupon that can come off on the pods or the liquid, it came off. It did attach to the liquid. Because remember, if you give the cashier the pods first, that $2 that can go on the liquid is going to attach to the pods. And then the pods that pod coupon is not going to attach to the liquid, because that's not what the coupon is for. So just remember that. But yes, you guys, amazing deal. $5.75 for 9 items, or about what, 60 something cents? 63 cents. Yeah, so really good to get some Gain items for 63 cents. And then the second transaction, like I said, I knew this was going to be a little more out of pocket because, because I did get some paper products, and there aren't any coupons on those items. So yeah, but my total came out to $15.60, $1 more than what I planned. And I was looking on the receipt to see why, but the reason being is because you know how like the Cottonelle wipes, it says they're $3 or they're 2 for $5. So that way that's kind of like $1 instant savings coming off. That dollar didn't come off. So if you see the Cottonelle, you see the wipes, you only see the 2 store discounts, and one of the store discounts is for that the $3 instant savings, and then the other store discount is for the 5 off 25. So if it would have came off, you would have seen a total of 3 store discounts, and the last one would have been like 50 cents. So yeah, so not bad. I mean, I got, how many items? I got 8 items on this one as well. So $15.60 for 8 items. That's about $1.95 each. So $1.95 for some paper products, yes, I'll take it. $1.95 for some Tide, yes. Jergens is some good lotion, so I mean, I'll take that as well. And I did get another thing of Gain as well. So this isn't a bad transaction. Like I said, to me, Dollar General coupons just, they weren't there this week. The only reason why I did the Gain is because I did have another account that I did not do the Gain scenario on it last week. So I was able to do it this week. But that's all, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For everything that I got, I paid about $20. Well, I'll say about like $21 and some change for 16 items, which is amazing, you guys. I hope you liked this video. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up. Please show me some love. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, you guys, because you never know who needs this video, who has these coupons and just don't know how to put them together and make them work for them. So that's all I have in this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much. I love you, and until the next time, you guys, bye.